Hello viewers, in this video we have to see employee won't lose entitlement to gratuity by merely opting to extend retirement age to 60 years according to Supreme Court. For further information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. The Supreme Court held that mere exercise of option by an employee to avail the benefit of extension of age of retirement to 60 years could not operate against his entitlement to gratuity. The bench of justices Dinesh Maheshwari and Vikram Nath in the present matter was hearing a special leave petition assailing Uttarakhand High Court's order dated November 1st, 2017, filed by GB Pan University of Agriculture and Technology University. While dismissing the special leave petition and opining that no case for interference was made out, the bench further observed that we are at one with a view taken by the High Court that mere exercise of option by an employee to avail the benefit of extension of age of retirement to 60 years could not have operated against his entitlement to gratuity. The exercising of such an option will not deprive the private respondents to gratuity unless and until the establishment, that is, the petitioner university was exempted in strict compliance of Section 5 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 after period approval of the state government. On the aspect of reduction of interest awarded, the court said that, on other hand, the High Court has been rather considerate to the petitioner in reducing the rate of interest awarded to the private respondents from 10% to 6% per annum. Case before Uttarakhand High Court. University had approached the High Court assailing the judgment and the orders dated November 22nd, 2016, passed under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 by the Appellate Forum and the order dated January 19, 2013, passed by Controlling Authority under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. The issues before the High Court were whether the benefit under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 Act would be available to the employees of the university, as to what would be the effect of there being no exemption from applicability of Act under Section 5, Section 14 of the Act, up to which extent the beneficial legislation could be enforced on the employees of university. Relying on Class 6 subsection 2 and 3 of the Statute of University under the Act of 1958, the University's Council had submitted that as per Class 2 subsection 2 of the Government Order dated 1984 and Class 6 subsection 3 of the statute, the effect was that an employee who opted for under the Government Order on 19 December 1984 and whose age of retirement became 60 years would not be entitled for the gratuity under the Act. The Council had also submitted that universities' employees would not be governed by the provisions of Act in the light of the fact that their conditions for the grant of gratuity under for the purpose of determining their entitlement would be governed by the definition of employees given under the statute and the provisions contained under Chapter 19. The bench of Justice Sharat Kumar Sharma observed that in pursuance to the exercise of option by an employee to avail the benefit of extension of age of retirement to 60 years for payment of gratuity under the Act was not intended to deprive gratuity to optees. Exercising of an option would not be deprive the private respondent of gratuity until unless it had been exempted after a prior approval of the state government, the court said. The bench also considered the submission of the university's counsel that the employees could not take advantage of their own mistake as they on their own delay, which was have been caused by them while invoking of Section 4 of the Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, for the payment of gratuity as such the interest at 10% each, which had been granted to them, was an excessive aside, opining that logically the respondent would not be permitted to take the benefit of his own dereliction. The bench, after an overall scrutiny of the controversy, took a compassionate view and reduced the interest awarded at 10% to at the rate of 6%. Case title GB Pan University of Agriculture and Technology V. Sri Damodar Mathpal, special leave to appeal. Hello viewers, from this video you may learn employee won't lose entitlement to gratuity by merely opting to extend retirement age to 60 years according to Supreme Court. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I thank you for your valuable time spent for watching this video. Your response has been highly appreciated. Once again, thank you very much.